Down here on Eastern, headlights to tailpipes, bringing you guys all these different cool stories. And one of the things is this: I love to visit with the sponsors, because without sponsors, you don't have free events, right? It's a Saturday morning, they're sponsors. Hello, little lady. What are you doing out here?
Just hustling donuts and insurance.
Hustling donuts and insurance. The new generation is coming in the house. You got your tchotchkes. It smells so good. And you got your free notepad, all right? And you got your pen to sign for your insurance, okay? So, what company are you with, Danielle?
American National Insurance.
American National Insurance.
Yes. We do auto, home, life insurance, business cars, classic cars. So that's kind of why we're out here. We have a niche in the classic cars. We do stated value, so it's a really great program.
And now back to your regular programming. Follow me to the left over here. Thank you for our sponsor, Danielle. Oh, what is that? Last night, yesterday, okay, I get a phone call and it's Tesla. And they're like, Josh, you haven't showed up for your last 3 test drives that we wanted to schedule you. Come down to the dealership tonight at 6 o'clock. We're gonna hand you the keys to this Tesla. We're gonna say, go home and just feel it. Feel the Tesla. And I'm thinking, what? Are you kidding me? Tesla, what? Headlights and tailpipes. I drive cars with gas and everything else. And I'm thinking, all right, let's go see. Fine. All right. Now, first off, this car is so cool. You'll walk up to it and it opens, all right? The doors fly open. So those are all fun little things, all right? And what happens is this, is when you're at a car show, cars are gonna be going by anyway, okay? So you gotta be ready for it. You gotta be able to mix it up a little bit. You coming through? You coming through? Because you can come through. Oh, the wheels are turning. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, what? A second Tesla in the house? Oh, that's mine. That's my Tesla, that's your Tesla. Tesla is everywhere. All right, let's come back to it for a second. Headlights to the tailpipes. All right, let's go to... Hey, Jerry, where's the tailpipe? Electric. It goes from 0 to 60 in less than I don't even know how many seconds. Absurd. All I know is this, is that the Tesla that I'm driving doesn't use up a bunch of gas. Makes me feel good about what I drive. There's another Tesla in the way. It must mean that I need a Tesla. Tesla, are you listening? Because I'll take you guys to the car shows. I'll show people what's available out there. And then, you know what? Maybe they'll buy more Teslas. Because all I know is this, is it's not like you guys have a line of people. Oh, you do? You know what? Let's go find another sponsor. Hey, maybe Hummer. Oh, wait a second. These guys don't even exist anymore. Hey, from the headlights to the tailpipes at any of the car shows, I'm Joshua. Thanks for tuning in. From the headlights to the tailpipes, this is Rubber Dub Tub. But no, it feels like greased lightning. What? Did you see that happen? Because I think a family affair just happened here. Holy cow. Hey, it's a daddy-daughter dance, except we got ourselves a couple of... Ooh, I got some trivia. Wait, I just stopped. Here's my first trivia. First off, what just happened here? All right? Did a father-daughter get out of 2 cars together? Who's going to tell me the story? All right, come on. I love it. They're so on the same page, right? This is symbiosis. All right, let's start it for first off. Tell me, when was the first time that your dad stuck a wrench in your hand? Or did you say, what is this?
I definitely said, what is this, when I was about 8 years old. I was at his best friend's backyard and we were building a
55
Chevy, yeah.
They're building a 55 Chevy together. All right, guys, come on in for a second. Give me an idea here, okay? So, who gets to drive what?
I get to drive both.
I get to drive both. All right, I love it.
I only get to drive that on Saturday.
I love it, love it, love it. Okay, wait a second. It's so cold out here. My mind is just not sharp. But I'm just excited as usual, okay? So first off, you guys, what are we looking at? Blue car, white car?
So the blue car is a Super B SRT and the white car is the RT.
Oh, what's a super what?
A Super Bee. So in this generation of Chargers, they only made 1,000 of these in the color. So this is number 843 out of 1,000, which is less than because of all the Super Bees that have wrecked from then till now.
Let me tell you something. I'm just speechless when a pretty gal just rips through the specs for you. You know what I mean? I mean, that is just killer. Okay, so, what other questions should I know? Like if I see a Charger come out, because I look at these and I see police car, all right?
Mm-hmm.
So what's the story there when they use those for service, you know?
The story is that they only use the RTs
Okay.
for the police. You can't outrun the radio no matter how fast the car goes. Radio waves go faster than any car will ever go. This car has been 162 on the road, but it's done 177 in fourth gear with her on a dyno. She dynoed it. She did 177 in fourth gear.
I kind of like, if you guys were just to rewind a little bit, and I'd like you to pay attention to what he said. What did he say? You cannot outrun the radio. This is your service announcement from Headlights to Tailpipes, that you cannot outrun the radio. All right, no matter how fast you want to go. All right, so you guys are getting some awesome tidbits. We're going to show you guys some B-roll of these two cool rides and whatnot. The next time that your daughter says, "What's that?" don't shoo her away. Stick that wrench in her hand and say, "Come on over here." Change that tire. Change that battery.
It's not difficult.
Change the alternator.
Yeah, I changed the alternator, I changed all tires, rims, so on and so forth.
I love it. I changed the air this morning. This is Josh from your Headlights to your Tailpipes. Thanks for tuning in. It's a daddy-daughter dance, and I got Chargers in the house. You know what? I'm out of here.
So let me give you a little insight on this car that I have named Ace. All right. So this is an aftermarket hood. It is functional. The scoop redirects the air, and the airflow goes straight to our air intake. Our air intake is a K&N air intake.
You gotta hold the hood for this kid.
My shocks are bad, I know. I have a strut bar in this car. It is custom made. It says the name of my car in the middle, which is, I've named my car Ace. It's got a Diablo Sport tune on it, and performance-wise, that's about it. It's got electrical cutouts on it by Jegs, and
What's this thing?
that's the strut bar, the custom one made. And it helps a lot, and I noticed the corners, it's so much better in the corners.
Let me back my mic. You know way too much about this car. You know what I dig about this? Is the next time your daughter walks in, she picks up a wrench, don't shoo her away. You know what? Daddy-daughter dances? Forget about it. This is the new daddy-daughter dance. This is a Charger, and this thing is a monster. And this kid, she'll run circles around you. The Headlights of the Tailpipes, the stories are coming at you right here from Vegas. Thanks for tuning in.